Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Christy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. First and foremost, I would love to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for everybody who shows me love and support on my channel. I truly greatly appreciate it and I love you guys. And yeah, so let's get into this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, you guys, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button right at the bottom and that bell so you are alerted when I do upload new videos. Okay, you guys, so normally, as you guys know, I do makeup Mondays each and every Monday. But today is Tuesday. Why am I doing a makeup video on Tuesday instead of my fashion video? Well, you guys, I have been working a lot lately, and I am so exhausted. I was super overtired, and I wasn't feeling so well yesterday, so I decided to just take a rest and take a breather from it all. Because I do this on a consistent basis, you guys. I do this every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday for you guys. So I need a little breather. Plus, I'm trying to connect and network with other individuals who are starting up their YouTube channels as well, and engage with them as well. So you guys take a lot of time and effort to be able to do this. So I would highly appreciate if you guys will respect my channel. If you are not going to watch my videos, do not subscribe to my channel, and just click back and forth or whatever. But anyways, you guys, let's get into this makeup look. So you guys, today's makeup look is going to be I want to almost say a pink purple, with a touch of gold glitter makeup look, you guys. A lot of my makeup is back at home in LA, and unfortunately I don't have a lot of makeup, and I probably need to go and buy some palettes, but I really haven't had time, you guys. So today I'm going to play around with my MAC Burgundy Times palette, you guys. I'm just going to use some of the more subtle colors along this way, a little bit of this black shimmer, a little bit of that lighter color and this color here mixed in with this, you guys, to create my look for today. I did add a nice little glitter, just a little hint of a cut of a glitter there, with some nice lashes and a nice wing at the eye, you guys. So right now, as you already know, I've already done my brows. They're on fleek. Okay, and so now, you guys, I'm going to prime my eye. So as you guys know, I always use the Urban Decay eyeshadow prime potion, you guys. This is going to heighten your eyes, because a lot of the shadows that I've been purchasing lately have not been pigmented, and so I really want my colors to pop, and I've been having to add layers and layers and layers of eyeshadow because it's just not there. So this honestly helps it, along with, a setting spray. If you guys spray your brush with this setting spray, it will heighten the colors and the tones to make them pop more, because that's what we want. We want a nice, glam, gorgeous look, but we want our eyeshadow to also look fabulous too. So, you guys, right now I am going to add my potion on my eyes, and then we're just going to rub it in. I'm going to rub it in my fingers, you guys. Rub it in with your fingers, right? Then, you guys, I'm going to go in with my MAC NC45, and then I'm going to use a flat end brush, you guys. Oh, I found drop it. Okay, and so I'm just going to lightly go over that, because again, you guys, I really want a nice pigmented look. I feel like, sometimes sometimes the eyeshadows are just not as pigmented. And then I'm going to blend that in. Okay. Okay, you guys, so then I'm going to leave a little bit of that concealer right here, only because this is where I'm going to put my gold highlighter. That's where I'm going to heighten, where that brow bone is, my eyeshadow, okay? Heighten my eyes, period, okay? So, after we do that, you guys, I'm going to go in with my first color. Which is going to be this color here. And you guys, they don't have names, so I don't really know what to call them, but we're just gonna go with the flow. I am gonna spray my brush, you guys, with the MAC after I go in with this color here, I'm going to go in with my black in between this crease here, you guys, just to kind of give me a nice darkness, a nice smokiness to my eyes. So we're just going to do that right now. Next, you guys, I'm going to go in up above that crease with this burgundy color here, you guys. Alright, you guys, so once you're done blending in the darker black and that burgundy color, so the black in your crease, the burgundy up above your eye, up above your crease, we're going to go in and do a half cut crease. I'm going to be using my MAC NC45, you guys, and then I'm going to be using a nice flat ink brush. And we're going to go in and cut our crease. We're not going to do a big crease, but we're just going to mirror this eye, you guys. Alright, you guys, so once you did a nice little half cut crease, once you guys have done a nice little half cut crease on the eye, we're going to go in with this lighter shimmer color here, you guys, this lighter pink color, and we're going to blend that into our cut crease. And what I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm actually going to spray my brush way ahead of time because I want to be able to have that really nice and pigmented on my eye. So now I'm going to take my gold glitter, you guys. This is my favorite. I use it in a lot of my videos. I am just going to give me a nice glitter cut around my eye. Now you guys, I am going to take that same pink color here and I'm going to go up above the eye. I'm going to take this burgundy color again and we're just going to go at the corner of the eye just to kind of give us a nice like ombre blend. So we're going to have our purple and then we'll have our pinks. And then we're gonna blend that in to give us a nice pink purple like color look. Now we're gonna go in with my Kat Von B or Kat Von D. I can never get this right with this her name. Like, okay, I'm gonna have to go on the website. I think it's Kat Von D as a dog. I can never get this right, you guys. It's always like this. But I'm gonna use that her eyeliner, you guys. I absolutely love it. It is fabulous. If you guys have not went out, this is like a sample one, you guys, I got from Sephora because of my birthday. But if you guys have not tried this eyeliner, it is amazing. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to take my e.l.f. white setting powder and I'm going to set my face before I add on my foundation. I do this because I do have oily skin, and this honestly helps my face from being oily all day long. Ain't nobody got time for that. So we're just going to set our face first. Alright, you guys, so next I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. foundation. If you guys have not checked out e.l.f., or if you guys have not tried their foundation, it's honestly pretty good, and it has pretty good coverage, you guys. I was very leery about it. It does have like a perfume smell when you first put it onto your skin, But after that, you guys, it is really, 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 really good. It has really good coverage. And it lasts for a while. It blends in really good with your skin. I got the foundation that has a little bit of a hint of red because I do have a reddish tone to me. So that one seems to blend well with my skin. And their camouflage concealer, you guys, is amazing. Like, it is so good. So yeah, it is very inexpensive. If you were just like first off trying out makeup, definitely check out e.l.f. They have really stepped up their game. Okay, so once I'm done, I'm actually going to take that e.l.f. camouflage concealer and I'm just going to contour my face, contour and highlight. Like a mini beauty blender, you guys, and then just blend, not blend it in, you guys, but pat it in to give me a nice highlight. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this Makeup Monday / Makeup Tuesday. If you guys again are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go right now. Click that subscribe button and that bell on the side so you are alerted when I do upload new videos, you guys. And if you guys have any suggestions for Makeup Monday, make sure you guys drop it down below in the comments. I would like to see. I've been seeing a lot of different challenges that I'm probably going to take on within the next week or so. So you guys stay tuned for that. Some of the bigger YouTubers are doing some really fun like makeup challenges, and I'm super excited to be wanting to do that and put that up forward and front and everything. So yeah, you guys, I will see you guys in my next video, and have a good day, loves. Bye.